Hello friends. In this video, we will talk about Bitcoin price prediction for 2021 to 2025. Billionaire venture capitalist and Bitcoin investor Tim Draper is holding by his prediction that Bitcoin will touch $250,000 by the end of 2022 or early 2023. Draper first made the bold price prediction back in 2018, at which time Bitcoin was trading around $8,000, according to Coinbase. Currently, only a few major corporations accept Bitcoin directly or indirectly through a third-party digital wallet app, including Microsoft, PayPal, Overstock, Whole Foods, Starbucks, and Home Depot. And several experts see Bitcoin as a plan to value, like gold, rather than a currency. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency to ever be created, sparking the beginning of a whole industry and thousands upon thousands of altcoins to be created in its image. Not only is Bitcoin the first of its kind, but it has been created to disrupt and replace paper-based fiat currencies to become the global digital currency used by the entire population. Hundreds of billions of dollars were wiped off of the cryptocurrency after Elon Musk tweeted in May that he was suspending Bitcoin buying at Tesla over environmental concerns. Bitcoin technical analysis. Based on the predictions of industry experts and big-name investors, it's clear to see that Bitcoin growth could be huge regarding current prices near $40,000. However, how and when Bitcoin price will touch such lofty predictions is unclear. Crypto analysts often produce technical analyses in order to foretell price progress and when it may happen. We've assumed some of the best technical analyses from the industry's best analysts in order to further help understand how high Bitcoin can go. Bitcoin price prediction. Understanding and recognizing the value of this digital gold alias Bitcoin, it has been suggested for long-term profitable investment by experts and institutional investors. Global government monetary stimulus packages and near-zero interest rates are further contributing to the deterioration of the scarcity of fiat currencies. The price upward trend has been foretold purely on the values of Bitcoin viz security and reliability. A further impact on prices for this currency can be viewed based on the inflow of funds by institutional investors in the long term. According to Bill Miller, mutual fund legend and chief investment officer of Miller Value Partners, Bitcoin's supply is growing around 2.5% a year and the demand is growing faster than that. Bitcoin price prediction 2021. According to Trading Beast's Bitcoin price prediction, is likely to cross $70,797 by the end of 2021. Bitcoin will trade in the range of $48,000–$56,000 with the minimum and maximum Bitcoin price individually in the year 2021. The technical symbols of the king of cryptocurrency also consider the opportunity of the continual bullish rally. Bitcoin price prediction 2022. Bitcoin price forecast for the year 2022 is foretold at $87,500 by Trading Beasts, given all other factors being constant and no emergency situation will change. Bitcoin price is expected to trade around $60,000 and $70,000 for a minimum price and maximum price respectively in the year 2022. Bitcoin price prediction 2023. As per our Bitcoin price prediction for 2023, Bitcoin price can cross the bar of $96,000, and lock the market with a steady position. The lowest Bitcoin price can be around $65,000 and the highest price can be above $82,000 in the year 2023. Bitcoin price prediction for 2024. Bitcoin might begin the year 2024 with an average price of $104,000. Bitcoin can trade around the price of $100,000 by the end of 2024. Bitcoin could trade with a minimum price of $70,000 and a maximum of $100,000 in 2024. Bitcoin price prediction for 2025. Bitcoin price prediction 2025 significant to be the year of the bull with Bitcoin at an all-time high of $100,000 to as much as $400,000. It could be the year of Bitcoin. It is very much likely that Bitcoin can double in price, but it is also possible it may not. This is only for the reason that it is not held by any specific regulatory authority or regime. History of Bitcoin. The origins of Bitcoin can be founded in the year 2009 when a pseudonymous person Satoshi Nakamoto appeared in the news. His typical idea of building a currency that would run on the blockchain and assure maximum transparency and security at the same time simultaneously being scientific was viewed as highly incredible, and caused a lot of confusion in the initial phase of the price offer. It would not be less than a secret of how Bitcoin climbed a count of $30,000. It is incredible how the numbers are still rising. Mining is the process by which Bitcoins are published in circulation and by which transaction reports in the system are added and verified. Various computer chips are applied for mining like application-specific integrated circuits, ASIC, and major advanced processing units like graphic processing units, GPUs, known as mining rigs. Frequently asked questions. Is Bitcoin safe? Based on a mathematical and scientific blockchain algorithm, it is highly unlikely that Bitcoin gets hacked. As owners of Bitcoin, you are anyway masters of your own wallet and hence safekeeping thereof falls in your periphery of accountability. Like in real life, your wallet must be secured. Who owns the most Bitcoin? Satoshi Nakamoto, the founder of Bitcoin, is having approx 1 million Bitcoins according to rumors. Why do people trust Bitcoin? Bitcoin is fully open source and decentralized. No organization or individual can control Bitcoin, and the network remains secure even if not all of its users can be trusted. Conclusion. Regarding all of the massive price predictions and estimates from industry experts that suggest Bitcoin will anytime replace all currencies across the globe, it's easy to see why so many are bullish on Bitcoin, and why Bitcoin price forecasts can reach such high numbers, ranging from thousands to even over $1 million per Bitcoin. However, you should invest only if you have complete knowledge of the crypto market. Make sure only invest as much as you can afford to lose, otherwise, you can lose both your money and time. That's all for today. See you soon with a new video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for further new videos. Thank you.